Today we will show you how to make chole masala using GravyMatter Chole Masala Gravy. You will see it is very easy and less time consuming. We have taken some chole in a pressure cooker and boiled it. Remember, every pressure cooker takes different times to boil chole. So in our pressure cooker it may be 7 or 8 whistles. In your pressure cooker it may be different, so plan accordingly. We have already boiled our chole and depressurized it. So we will open the lid now. Here our chole, or some people call it kabuli chana, it is boiled properly. Now we will add GravyMatter Chole Masala Gravy to it. We have here chole masala gravy pack 250 grams, but this pack can make approximately 350 grams of chole. We have taken only like 150 grams, so we will add only half of the packet, not the full. Just we will add half of the GravyMatter Chole Masala Gravy without removing the water. And remember, the stove is turned off. And now we will turn on the stove and we will give it a good stir. We will mix it properly, the gravy and the chole mixture. The chole is already boiled, so there is no need to cook it again. You just need to bring the mixture to boil and it will be ready. You see the water just need to be vaporized. It will take just 5-6 minutes to bring the mixture to boil and remove the excess water. Remember, it contains all the spices, salt and oil, so you don't need to add anything extra into the gravy. Our GravyMatter curry paste contains everything required to make chole masala. Here we are making it in the same pressure cooker where we boiled it. If you want, you can use a different pan or kadhai for frying. Okay, a few minutes have passed and our excess water is removed properly from the chole, so we will now turn off the gas. And our chole is properly cooked, chole masala is properly cooked. We will just give it a final stir. See how nice the coloring is. So our chole masala, restaurant style chole masala, is ready. Serve it hot with rice or bhature. So this is how, using GravyMatter Chole Masala Gravy, you can make restaurant style chole masala at home within 5-6 minutes. Thanks for watching.